are just a few examples of the type of scarves and different type of items I will be doing. Some will be the entire item will be fur yarn, and then some of it will be just parts of it will be fur yarn. This one is a scarf that is fully the fun fur yarn. And then some of the items, like these ponchos, as you see here, I may team up with regular yarn into the fur yarn, but it will still have the soft effect, and some of it will be just the fur yarn. So I'll have like different types of fur yarn items, but these ponchos, they're seasonal. It can be summer, or the thicker they are, it can be used for winter. These are hair scrunchies. They just look like balls, but they're actually hair scrunchies. So you can like put your whole wrist through them, and they're just hair scrunchies that you use in your hair like a regular scrunchie. In this picture, you can see the center a little bit better. So some of them will be thicker, some of them will be thinner, but hair scrunchies, yay! And then purses. Fun, 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 fun for yarn purses. This is one of the particular poncho styles that I like, so I'll be doing this pattern, and I will be incorporating into this pattern some fun fur yarn, and it will have fringe on the bottom, the fun fur fringe, or maybe other kind of fringe. Cute little beanie hats of various types, fingerless wrist gloves, pet outfits, Christmas decorations. Anyways, so if you're a second tier subscriber of my Patreon account for just $3 a month, you will never pay full price on my items. You'll get minimum of 10% off all the time on any item that I'm selling, up to 20% off, and additional other promotions as well. So anyways, yeah, and I'll be doing giveaways also exclusively for my second tier subscribers on my Patreon account. Special craft giveaways and various things. Anyways, check it out.